I'm Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today again I'm here in my all-time favorite place in my kitchen garden. Today I'm going to make one superfood smoothie, and that also I'll collect from my whatever I cultivated here. So I'll use some carrot, and I'll use kale, and I'll use beetroot, which all are in superfood groups. So let me harvest some carrot now. Superfood smoothies shopping is over, so let me go to the kitchen and make the smoothie. So my superfood smoothie is ready here, and it's fresh from my kitchen garden, totally organic. So when it is so fresh, the taste is so totally different. So let me enjoy. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll come back to you with more videos from my kitchen garden. So keep watching. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.